Good morning, farming enthusiasts. Today is going to be a great day. After a little bit of morning coffee, watching a few videos, checking my email. It was 24 degrees this morning, so I did not get in a hurry to get out here. Besides that, of course, I had to fix my drill. But I've already been out to the shop. I've done the repair, so I'm going to walk you through what happened. Of course, we got Gandalf, the star, warming up out here. We got the shop heat on. Oh yeah. Okay, so here's what happened. This is the drive sprocket that drives the chain that augers out the seed. And it's way in the back. It's driven by one of the big drive wheels. I'll show you when we get back out there, but this is one of the big drive wheels. I heard that furnace noise is too much. Possibly. Anyway, it goes on right here. Goes right down on this shaft. See a little hole in there? That little hole in the shaft is for a small roll pin. That's the only thing that keeps that thing driving. Other than that, this thing holds on the bearing set for this big shaft. Here's my old one right here. It sheared it. So I was not delivering seed. Now the question is, when did that happen? So hopefully I can extrapolate when I last saw that seed meter turning, and I won't leave a skid. But in the event that I do, such is life. We'll put her back together and head out to the drill. The shaft is back in. The sprocket is back on, so is the chain, and that's the way it delivers seed right there. That's this super long chain, goes all the way up there. That chain turns a shaft here, which turns another chain. I'm waiting for my mixer loader gal. She hasn't shown up. That chain turns the seed drive shaft here. And this little guy spinning around tells you that everything's working. So when I looked back and I saw that not spinning, I knew there was a problem. So we'll put some product in it. Put some Canola and some fertilizer in it. We've got about 200 gallons left. That should be enough to finish the top of that hill, which I was trying to do last night, and we'll be going shortly. Time for a break. Had a pretty good morning seeding, so I'm gonna have a cookie. My wife makes the best cookies in the world. You don't believe me, just ask Erin. She'll tell you. I know, wrong glue can. Bear with me. It's good with a cookie. Alright, I'm on top of one of the highest hills just behind the house. And so there's very little wind right now. So we're just going to walk outside and once again take a panoramic view of this area. I've been asked for a little bit more of the topography of the land and the beauty. So we'll step outside. Like I say, I don't think the wind is too bad. But yeah, we're About 2 to 3 acres from being done with this no-till on this piece of canola, which is about 40 acres up on this big tall hill. We've had pretty good luck this morning. It's just so much of a nicer day too. The wind is less. There is some, but it's not bad. It's warmer. So what you see in the background, the green, that's the neighbor's winter wheat. Everything else is not in crop yet, or it's in grass. I've been up on this hill before with the blue Ford to get the Packers. They're right over there. I don't know if you can see that. But then as we pan this way, we get more onto some of my property where my little tractor is right there. The little D5 is right in the corner of the neighbor's. And everything above the green is our property, and that green is our winter wheat. I'll be spraying that here very soon, hopefully today or tomorrow if it stops freezing at night. And then you can just barely see the top of the house and the shop. And of course on the other side of Stevens Road, as I said before, we're on the edge of what's called the channeled scablands. So this is from the Great Missoula Flood. All that just is, there's no dirt over there because the flood took away all the dirt and just exposed all the rock, all the basalt. So basically everything on the east side of Stevens Road is farmed, and on the west side at this location is all pasture ground. So you can maybe see all the cows over there, all the little water ponds and everything, corral, all the equipment. There's Gandalf down there at the ready. So that's just a little overview of what it looks like from the top of one of the highest hills at my house. So we'll jump back in the tractor, finish our cookie, and hopefully finish this field. I can see coming down the road right now a little bit of dust. I believe that would be Erin with my fertilizer truck. So she'll have some more stuff for me so we can keep going. What did Dad do now? He broke the sprayer.
Again. So what did you do exactly?
I thought you were going to tell a story.
No, this is not my story to tell.
This ear broke off that holds the wing up cylinder. So I can't wing it up until I fix it. So we borrowed the McGregor welder. They're more than just a ag chem and fertilizer dealer.
Lifesavers.
Lifesavers. We borrowed that this morning, and I'm about ready to do a quick fix on this so I can move it to the next field.
For all of you who are about to be really concerned that we're welding over a bunch of straw, it rained last night, so this is very damp. No need for concern. We shouldn't be starting any fires here.
Okay, first thing I'm going to do is just burn a little stitch weld on it to hold it in place while I grind it. Erin's going to help me.
That's what I'm here for.
Here we go. Getting loud. Come on, girl.
cut off some of the old welds so that he can weld back to that piece of metal again.
Just trying to pee it out a little bit so the weld sticks good.
Alright, good as new. Right? Fully guaranteed to work now there, Mr. Welder?
30-30 guarantee.
30-30 guarantee.
30 seconds, 30 minutes.
Well,
Threshold guarantee.
looks good.
It'll work till it doesn't.
Yeah, that's how everything is.
I'm Doug.
And I'm Erin.
I hope you like the videos that we put out, and if you do, you need to hit the subscribe button.
And give us a thumbs up. Thanks.